back, everybody. Hopefully you can hear me. I got the engine running right now. This is kind of a 10,000 mile update because I'm about 250 miles from 10,000, which I'm going to hit when we do the Nevada Open Road Challenge in 2 weeks. I doubt I'm going to drive it much next weekend with Mother's Day and everything. Got too much going on. But I wanted to kind of give an update. I also wanted to show everybody what the TPMS sensor looks like actually when it's reading something. So let me shut this thing off. Let me span over to that. So hopefully you guys can see this. I don't know if you can or not with that sun. So hopefully you guys can see what that is looking like. So it shows tire pressure and temperature. Pretty slick setup. And it's in real time. So, and what also I've got in the dash is I've got my, let me turn this thing on here. So you could see my, come on, pick it up here. So the interior's ready to go. 10,000 miles, still loving the car. I actually had a little rattle that's been going on for quite a while in the rear, and I found out it's the electronic parking brakes. The pads just kind of hang on these two shafts, and they're loose, very loose. So every time you hit a bump, they rattle up and down. So I put a couple of really light springs in there, just kind of force them out, sound gone. So now the car's got no rattles, no nothing. It sounds great. We'll even maybe put an exhaust sound on here. So stay tuned. So in preparation for the Nevada Open Road Challenge, you know, I've kind of talked about my 10,000 mile update, still loving the car. I had no intentions of getting rid of this thing. Probably going to be giving to my son when I assume room temperature or start pushing daisies. So hopefully that's not around the corner, by the way. But you never know in this world. So as far as the Nevada Open Road Challenge, I've gone through every nut and bolt on this car, you know, because it's going to be driven about 1,500 miles. By the time I drive it out there, do the race, drive back, I'm guessing, you know, 1,400 to 1,600, depends on how we get home. If Tioga Pass is open, we're going to go back up over the pass, but I doubt it. I know they're plowing, but I don't think it'll be open. So in the meantime, I went through every nut and bolt. I did kind of move some heater hoses around a little bit. They were within about 3-4 inches of the exhaust. I kind of put a bracket in, lifted those up a little bit. Just something bugged me for a while, so that's done. The car's pretty much done. I mean, I'm looking around thinking anything else I can do. Really not. But yeah, the car is fabulous. 10,000 miles. Every nut and bolt is checked. I think we're ready. I got brand new front tires. The rears are only about a year old. Plenty of life left on those. So we're going to see how this thing does at 165 miles an hour. You know, I'm sure at 135, 140, it's going to be great because I've had it there before. But, you know, that's another 25 miles an hour. So we shall see. But stay tuned. As soon as I get back, I'll try to get video up of the Nevada Open Road Challenge. And we'll see how it did, and I will give an update. So until then, I'm signing off. Hit subscribe, and we'll get the next video. It'll be Nevada Open Road Challenge, and I will talk to you all later. Thanks.